Hello, welcome.
You are watching
English Explorer channel.
Today, we will learn famous greeting expressions in English.
how to greet others.
They can be your family members, friends, and others. Here, daily used greetings are introduced on the basis of their formality.
Practice more, learn faster. Let's start today's learning.
Followings are short and frequently used greetings. Number 1 is hello. It is more formal.
Number 2. Hey. It is natural in use.
Number 3 is hi. It is formal and familiar in use. Hello, friends. I am Ramu. Nice to meet you. Hello, Ramu. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Hey, brother. How are you? Not see you long time.
Yes. Great. Nice to see you. What about you?
I am good. Thanks. See you.
Hi, Grandma, how are you? Glad to see you.
Nice to see you. I am quite nice. What about you, granddaughter?
Please share, comment, like, and subscribe this channel. Yes. Grandma, I am extremely fine. Where are you going? Can I help you? You seem so tired.
No, thanks. I'm okay, I can go myself. Thanks, my daughter, you are so kind. See you soon.
Some greetings are used on the basis of time span. Such as good morning. We say until 12 o'clock daytime.
Similarly, good afternoon. It is used until 5 o'clock.
Good evening. Can be said until 12 o'clock midnight. Similarly, good night we can say normally when we go to sleep at night. There are some other ways of greetings. Can be used in daily conversation. Let's see.
Let's use these greetings in daily basis conversation.
Hello, madam. Nice to meet you. Where are you coming from?
Hi, nice to meet you. Long time not see. How are you, sir? I am coming from office. And where are you coming from, sir?
I am also coming from office. Today, I am a little bit late.
It sounds nice. Right now I am arriving to home. Okay, sir, see you tomorrow.
Thanks. See you. Bye.
Thanks for watching this video.
Please subscribe this channel.